Good morning, children. Today we will study our fifth lesson of EVS, and the name of the lesson is Our Clothes. In this lesson, we will learn about different types of clothes and why do we wear different clothes in different seasons, and how can we take care of our clothes. So let's start. Children, do you know why do we wear clothes? Well, we wear clothes to protect our bodies from heat, rain, cold, and wind. It means clothes cover our bodies and protect us from all these things. They also protect us from insect bites. Now, children, which clothes do you wear when you come to school? It's your school uniform. You will notice every child in school wear clothes that look similar. Similar means same. Boys wear shorts and shirts, while girls wear tops and skirt. And these clothes are known as uniforms. Now, types of clothes. Children, as you can see in this picture, there are so many types of clothes and people wear different types of clothes. Men and women wear different clothes like shirt, trousers, saris. Boys and girls also wear clothes of different types. For example, top, skirt, shirt, t-shirt, shorts, etc. And we wear shoes on our feet to protect our feet while walking. Now, children, few questions are given here. Which clothes are worn by boys and men? As I told you, and I think you all know what kinds of clothes men and boys wear. Shirt, trousers, t-shirts and shorts. Now the next one is which clothes are worn by girls and women? You can write so many things, for example, frocks, skirt, top, sari, etc. And which clothes do your grandparents? Can you tell me in which season do we wear this type of clothes? Well, in summer. Because summer is a hot season and that's why we wear cotton clothes in summer season. Cotton clothes keep us cool and these are also light to wear. Now children, do you know from where do we get cotton? We get cotton from cotton plants. In summer season, we also wear slippers and flip-flops. Now see this picture. In which season do we wear sweaters and scarves? Yes, it's winter. We wear woolen cloths in winter season because we feel cold and we need thick cloths, and that's why we wear woolen cloths, as woolen cloths are thick to wear and they keep us warm in winter season. Woolen cloths are made up of wool, and from where do we get wool? We get wool from sheep and goats. In winter season, we also wear socks and shoes to protect our feet from cold. Now, children, can you tell me what is this? This is an umbrella, gumboot, and raincoat. Generally, in rainy season, we use these things as a raincoat protect us from rain, and a gumboot also protect our feet when we go out in rains. We also use umbrellas to protect ourselves from rain, as umbrellas are made up of waterproof materials. Waterproof materials means something that keeps the water away. Then, when we use umbrella, then it keeps the water away from us and we don't get wet. Now, children, can you tell me what are these people called? As you can see, the first is a nurse, the second is a policeman, and the third is an army man. And they are wearing uniform. As children wear uniforms to school, many other people also wear uniform. A uniform is a special dress that is worn by people at a special job. For example, soldiers, police, and nurses wear uniforms to work. Now, children, clothes are the basic need of our life. When we wear well fitted and clean clothes, it makes us look smart. And we always like to wear new and colorful clothes during festivals. For example, suppose it's Eid or it's Diwali, then you all will like to wear new clothes. We also wear beautiful clothes on special days such as birthdays, weddings. Weddings means marriage ceremony. Sometimes we wear cloths made up of silk. Now, what is silk? Silk is a shiny cloth that we get from silkworm cocoons. And cocoon is a silky case spun by silkworms to protect themselves. Silkworm is an insect. So, children, let's repeat the points. We wear clothes to protect our bodies from heat, cold, rain, and wind. And clothes also protect us from insect bites and they'll make us look smart. We wear different types of clothes. There are different types of clothes for people. For example, man wear shirt, pants, jeans, etc. Women wear saris, salwar kameez, etc. Children wear frock, shorts, t-shirts, skirts, etc. And we wear different types of clothes also according to the seasons. For example, we wear cotton cloths in summer season, we wear woolen cloths in winter season, and we use raincoat, umbrellas, and gumboots in rainy season to protect us from the rain. And some people wear special kinds of cloth that are called uniforms at the work. For example, soldiers, policemen, nurses, etc. And the last is we always wear new clothes in wedding ceremonies, parties, on our birthday, and on festivals. And when we wear neat and clean cloth, we look smart. Now, children, how can we take care of our clothes? Our clothes also need care. As you can see here, few steps are given to follow. First is, while eating, we should not spill food on our clothes. We should always wear clean and iron clothes. It means we need to wash our clothes to remove the dirt, and after then it should be dried properly and then ironed. We should clean dirty clothes with detergent soap and dry in the sunlight. Clean clothes smell good. When you will wear dirty clothes, your clothes will smell very bad, and then your classmates will not want to sit with you. No one will like you. So, we should always wear clean, neat, and iron clothes. So, children, our chapter is finished, and now next day we will do our next topic. Goodbye and thank you.